How to enable microphone on any iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So basically, you need to enable microphone for each of the apps on iPhone. So what you can do is you need to head over to your settings. So find the app where you want to enable the microphone. Go to the search bar at the bottom and then search for the app and then just tap on the app. Now you can see the microphone option right there. Now you'll need to toggle this on if it is toggled off. For example, let's say it was turned off like this. Then that means your microphone is disabled on Facebook. Now just toggle it on and it will be enabled. You can do the same for other apps. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.